What's up, ever blessed travelers? Did you know? Jamaica is more than just sun, sand, and reggae. It's a paradise packed with hidden gems waiting to be explored. From breathtaking landscapes to mouth-watering cuisine, this island is full of surprises. And today, Ever Blessed Travels is taking you on a journey to one of the best seafood spots in the country, Jolly's Restaurant and Lounge. Picture this, freshly caught seafood, perfectly seasoned and served with a side of ocean breeze. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, we're making that dream a reality as we explore Jolly's Restaurant and Lounge, arguably the best seafood spot in Portmore. So, let's get into it.
It goes like, I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more. All the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm so.
God bless people. Welcome to another video, and today, guys, we are at Portmore. Jolly's to be exact. We're gonna be eating fish. Steamed fish, ever blessed again. Some people watch out and see how we are going to deal with them fish. Let's show you the fully here on our people. And Jolly's is one of the favorite places where you can come and have your meal. Alright, so just stay tuned and watch where I go on. Here at Jolly's is the menu list right here. And where you come and you look and see what you want. Place them all that there. Alrighty. Where is that here? The sign. That's the kitchen here.
If you're a seafood lover looking for the freshest catch and authentic Jamaican flavors, Jolly's Restaurant and Lounge is a must-visit. Located at 1 Port Henderson Road, Portmore 0000, this hidden gem is famous for its mouth-watering seafood dishes, vibrant atmosphere, and breathtaking waterfront views. Whether you're craving perfectly seasoned snapper, buttery lobster, or a classic Jamaican steam fish with bami, Jolly's serves up the best of the island's flavors straight from the sea to your plate. Not only is the food incredible, but the ambiance makes it even better. Enjoy your meal with cool ocean breezes and a laid-back island vibe. It's the perfect spot for a relaxing lunch, a romantic dinner, or just a casual hangout with friends. So, if you're in the area, or even if you're not, make your way to Jolly's for a seafood experience like no other. You can call ahead for reservations or inquiries at +1 87 665 9272. Trust me, once you taste their food, you'll keep coming back for more.
Ever blessed people, coming to you from Portmore in this vlog. Ever blessed people, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much, my people, for sharing. You have been with Ever Blessed. Come to an end. Ever Blessed is saying so long, and see you in the next video, where I'll be showcasing another place. We are taking Jamaica to the world. We'll be showing you bits and pieces of this country. Stay tuned and watch what we're going to show in the next one. Alright.
And that's just the beginning. Here at Ever Blessed Travels, we're taking you on a full tour of Jamaica, meeting amazing people, exploring breathtaking places, and experiencing things that will make you want to book your next trip right now. If you love travel, adventure, and discovering the best hidden gems, this is your one-stop shop for all things travel. So, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next destination. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next, because this journey is only getting started. Stay blessed, stay adventurous, and we'll see you in the next one. Ever bless, never stress.